AMD is introducing the next chapter in x86 computing with two completely new cores. The cores, codenamed Bulldozer and Bobcat, are finely tuned for specific markets and workloads. Bulldozer is engineered for performance and scalability and targets the heavy lifting of server and high-performance client platforms. Bobcat is geared toward flexibility, low power, and small size. Its design is specifically suited for notebooks and other portable form factors. Now that we've met the two cores, let's take a closer look at Bulldozer. At the heart of Bulldozer's innovation is the way it combines dedicated and shared resources in a compact design to deliver exceptional performance in a given power envelope. The dedicated resources include two integer execution cores that deliver true core functionality. By presenting two true cores to the operating system and applications, two simultaneous threads can be executed more efficiently than two threads running on a single integer core. The shared components help reduce power consumption and reduce die space. The discrete components help increase performance and scalability. At the chip level, it is easy to see how the modules can be combined to form complete processors that share resources like L3 cache. The modules are logical divisions, transparent to the hardware, the operating system, or applications. So how does AMD's approach work from a performance perspective versus multithreading on a single core? Multithreading on a single core can be inconsistent, often with relatively small increases in throughput. In fact, under some workloads, this approach to multithreading can actually result in negative overall throughput. With dedicated cores and parallel thread execution, Bulldozer offers more consistent results and superior throughput. For server workloads, the first Bulldozer-based processor features 16 cores, a 33% increase over AMD's current MagniCores processor, and delivers an estimated 50% increase in throughput performance in around the same power envelope. A primary benefit of Bulldozer's use of shared resources is to save silicon area. The amount of circuitry needed for the second integer core is only around 12% of the module. This is a much more efficient solution than two complete cores in a core multiprocessing configuration, CMP, with Bulldozer providing a compelling ratio of performance per watt per dollar. Bulldozer is another new chapter in x86 computing, engineered for performance and scalability for the high-performance client and server markets. Now let's take a closer look at Bobcat. Bobcat is a small, efficient, low-power x86 core that offers mainstream performance in half the die area and a fraction of the power of prior generations. It is highly synthesizable with only a small number of custom arrays, making it easily portable across process technologies. Bobcat forms the CPU side of the first AMD Fusion APU product coming to market, Ontario. An APU combines the best features of a CPU and a GPU to handle modern workloads that are much more visually intensive and can be executed most efficiently by a GPU and CPU working together. From an advanced microarchitecture perspective, Bobcat is a single-thread machine with impressive performance. Instructions are decoded in program order, executed speculatively out of order, and are retired, committed in program order. Bobcat can decode, issue, and retire up to 2 x86 instructions per cycle. From a power management perspective, Bobcat offers power-optimized execution with a microarchitecture designed to minimize data movement and unnecessary reads, and includes extensive clock gating, power gating, and system low-power states. Bobcat is the next chapter in low-power x86 computing, engineered for flexibility and small size, making it ideal for the next generation of highly portable PC form factors that deliver a compelling user experience. As the x86 core in AMD's first APU, Bobcat will deliver 90% of the performance of AMD's current mainstream CPU in half the area and at a fraction of the power. The new Bobcat and Bulldozer x86 core designs are the latest in a long line of innovations from AMD. The low-power Bobcat and high-performance Bulldozer cores are integral to upcoming AMD CPU and Fusion APU products that are designed to set new levels of performance in the industry.